What's up, guys? This is Twisternade, and today I will be showing you how to make a crossbow. And it's very simple, very easy. And yeah, so let's get started. What you will need is a hold-out mechanical pencil. It can be any type of mechanical pencil. You just have to hold it out by taking off the lid, pushing down, and just like cutting the thing that comes out right here. Just cutting it, and then the back will pop out, and then set that aside, and then take off the cap, and there's your bow. There's the crossbow. Now you will need, and then you will need a spring, and you will need a nail. It needs to be a big nail, like about, how long is this? Let me see. About 2.5 inches. So, sort of a big nail, if you think about it. But who cares about thinking? The only thing that you need to think about is school. Because school makes you a life. And school is important. Because without school, you'd never have a life. But that's not what we're here for. So, to make your crossbow, take your hold-out mechanical pencil, take your spring, stick it inside, take your nail, stick it inside, then you'll have that right there. Then you'll need your bolts, which really can be anything. They can be BBs, they can be tiny nails like this, very tiny nail, like this one's only about 1 inch or so. And yeah, right now I'm going to be using a tiny nail, but you could use all sorts of stuff. Like you could take your plastic thingamabob, the back of your mechanical pencil. See, it's that thing that pops out. Like, if I show you right here, take everything out, boo boo boo, stick it inside. Well, it won't go inside, but yeah, that's what comes out. That's what comes out, and you just need to cut that. And yeah, and you can also get the spring too out of it, so that's always nice. So yeah, so stick it in there, put the nail in, then take your tiny nail. Now put it in backwards, and there's your bolt. And then, or if you want to use your, this sort of thing, cut about 1 inch or so, something. It doesn't even have to be small, it can be big. Just not too big. There's a bolt. You can make that sharp by using your scissors. That. And yeah. So let's get ready for the range test. Okay, guys. So I'm out here doing the range test, and I found out that it can shoot the nail. So we're just gonna do that. And yeah, I'm gonna throw a BB and see how powerful it is compared to my throw. That just bounced right off. Okay. Here we go. I'll set it up right there, because I might hit the... Okay. Aim right on. That didn't do much. So let's try that again. Just bounced right off and went. But the nail's not going to be any very powerful anyways. It might be though. So we're just testing, you know. Still a good crossbow.